Hi guys, so OpenAI just introduced its new ChatGPT 4.0 and it's incredibly fast AI till now. Let's get started and talk about what is the real power of this new AI. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates of the ChatGPT. Here I'm showing you the clip of real-time translation by ChatGPT 4. Make sure to watch it.
English Italian. Sure, let's do it. Hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm doing great. So I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mike, io mi chiedo se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
Sicuramente sì.
Certainly yes.
Great, looks like it works.
Podcast.